Welcome back to Finishing Friday. This is season 4, episode 3 of Destroyed Condo. This is actually going to be the last week of, this whole items that need like repair and all that. And to be honest with you, it needed a lot of repair. The property, basically, the tenants were 10,000 behind on rents, and with COVID, I couldn't do anything about it. And then they also, basically, I had to do the work myself because I only had about $10,000 budget to put into fixing it back up to get the property where I needed to be. So, it's just a couple of things that happen to need to be repaired. Where they ripped off drawer fronts, they blew up a microwave, they put hole in a door. Both toilets were not functioning properly. Like all the insides had to be replaced, and some of them were even held up by like a screwdriver to hold the float in place and all that. There was, dents on like doorways, halls where there shouldn't have been any dents. I don't know how they even got up there. There was water damage in the guest bathroom from I guess all the moisture. Anything metal in there was rusted. There was the air conditioning unit wasn't working, and so you'll see that as well. There's also there was like mold on surface mold by the back window. Luckily, it was only surface mold. I double checked that because you don't want to mess with that. But these are things, and rotted out a windowsill, and these are things that they should have let me know or had so we could get fixed and taken care of. So we would and they should have been able to take care of it themselves. But it didn't work out that way. So again, this is going to be. I didn't take as many pictures as I thought I did of most of the stuff was of clutter and all that. I didn't take any specific pictures of like repairs. Oh yeah, the biggest thing that really irked my nerves was there was new hardwood floors that was probably like 3 years old because they had to replace it because of water damage that they, from the refrigerator, they didn't even know. You'll see pictures of that with scratches in the floor. That's the stuff that bothers me more than anything. The other stuff I knew was a mess, but I guess the wooden floors was one of the items that was a hot button for me. All the rest of the stuff was like, I was kind of figured it was going to be that way. Well, I'll let you see a couple pictures I do have.